Why does the son of a high-profile political figure find himself behind bars without the option of bail? Today, we dive into the intriguing case of Neville Mutsvangwa, son of ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa, entangled in allegations that have led to a stringent no-bail ruling. Neville Mutsvangwa, alongside his co-accused Simbarashe Tichingana and Ellis Majachani, faces grave charges including money laundering and illegal foreign currency dealings. This triad also grapples with accusations under the Telecommunications Act. The drama unfolded when, during the arrest process, Mutsvangwa was not straightforward to apprehend. After hours of resistance, police discovered him concealed behind bags of rubbish, a scene that might seem more fitting in a cinematic thriller than real life. This act of evasion played a significant role in the court's perception of his likelihood to flee. In the courtroom, presided over by Magistrate Dennis Mangozi, the atmosphere tensed as the state presented its case. Prosecutor Thomas Chanakira highlighted the severe nature of the crimes, with potential sentences reaching up to 25 years. He underscored the overwhelming evidence stacked against the accused, painting a grim picture of their legal battle ahead. Magistrate Mangozi, in his ruling, pointed out Mutsvangwa's access to free funds and his influential connections, courtesy of his father's political stature. These factors, Mangozi argued, equipped Mutsvangwa with the means and potential motive to escape the jurisdiction of the court. Thus, the decision was clear and firm. Bail was denied. The court harbored concerns that the freedom of Neville Mutsvangwa might lead him to flee, considering him a significant flight risk. To summarize, Neville Mutsvangwa faces a serious legal battle with charges that carry substantial prison terms. His attempt to evade arrest and his ties to political power have led to the denial of bail. The court has scheduled the next hearing for May 30th, where further proceedings will unfold. Today's exploration into this high-profile case sheds light on the intricate balance of justice, influence, and accountability. Stay tuned as this case continues to develop, potentially setting precedents and sparking debates on the nature of law and power.